Welcome to our Aldermore Bank review. Find links to their products and services below. Aldermore is a UK specialist lender and savings bank designed for individuals, businesses, and property investors seeking modern banking. Known for simplicity, Aldermore is a digital-first bank with no physical branches. Manage your account easily through their intuitive online platform and mobile app. Savers benefit from competitive fixed-rate savings accounts, cash ISAs, and notice accounts designed for secure growth. Their rates often beat high street banks, ideal if you prioritize returns over instant access. Accounts are easy to open online, and deposits are protected up to £85,000 by the FSCS. Aldermore excels in niche lending, especially for self-employed individuals, landlords, and small businesses. They offer buy-to-let, residential, and commercial mortgages with flexible criteria. Asset and invoice financing help businesses grow, making Aldermore attractive to entrepreneurs and SME owners. Customer service is a strength, with dedicated phone support during extended hours. While branchless, Aldermore provides responsive phone and email support. The lack of instant access to some savings products might be a drawback for some. Overall, Aldermore is ideal for those seeking competitive savings, flexible borrowing, and a digital experience. It's not for those who prefer branches or instant access. If Aldermore sounds right, check the description for more details and see if it's the right bank for you.